This is a new padlock, no fingerprints in it, so now any fingerprint can open it. Now I will show you two operations. One is for adding fingerprint, the other is for deleting all fingerprints. So now let's go to add fingerprint. Press any fingerprint to open the lock. Hold it till the LED turns blue. Then press the fingerprint you want to add with many angles. The LED turns to red, means the fingerprint added successfully. So let's try it. Okay, so it opened. Now any other fingerprints can't open it anymore. Okay, now let's show how to delete all fingerprints. Press the added fingerprint, hold it. The light turns to blue, then white, then red, means delete all fingerprints successfully. So now no fingerprint in it, and any fingerprint can open it.